Hey everybody, today I am going to be talking about the GE side-by-side refrigerator. It's got the stainless steel front. It is magnetic on the sides here. You just put everything that you want as far as magnet wise. They just go right here on the side. It has your water dispenser, ice dispenser. As you can see here, water, you can get it crushed, ice, cubed ice. Has a light for at nighttime in case you need to see it. If you want to lock the controls to keep anybody out of it, kids or whatever, you can do that right there. It does have a door alarm for another reason, in case, I guess, if you were dieting and you didn't want to, like, you know, wake up in the middle of the night and get some Twinkies out of the freezer. Just hit the door alarm, it's gonna go off, and then it's like, hey, I shouldn't be eating this late at night. It has water filter, which I absolutely love that as well. 5 in packs of 3. There are 2 of us and 2 dogs, so I'm gonna say that the filter lasts about 1 every 10 to 12 months, so about once a year. As you can see here, it has the freezer warmer, colder, refrigerator warmer, colder. Here everything's push buttons, all computerized, automatic. When I got it, I was not wanting to get the computer because in case something broke down, but this is 2008, and so this is 10 years later. 10 years later, and it's still working. You have tons of compartments. This is a working refrigerator, so it's not going to be storeroom clean. Egg rack. I love how it has like the divots so that you can put your eggs in here. We just get our eggs from the chickens outside and throw them in. It's got tons and tons and tons of door space for all of your condiments or whatever it is that you were looking to put in there, plus that butter. Now the inside of it, you have a nice big light so that you can see everything. And then that's the filter right back there in the back. That's how you change it out. Like I said, that's about once every year. 10 months for 2 people and 2 dogs. So you have tons and tons of space. And each one of these spaces down here, like it actually says sealed pan, high humidity, low humidity. You can change it to whatever you want. For your fruits and vegetables, same thing. As you see, I have it all full. Here are the specs right here, and the model, it's a big long number. Not sure why they did that, but when you go to get the filter, you're gonna need those numbers to figure out which one it is that you want. It does have an ultra flow dispenser in the door rack. Comes with a frost guard technology. Has that door alarm like I talked about. It's a auto energy saver. It's a slide out spill proof shelves, so these just slide right out, but just like that, in case you need to clean anything, it's easy breezy. Or you just need to say, oh, I just want that, instead of trying to get everything. I'm making yogurt right now, so I'm just straining that. It has that GE water filtration. It's got an integrated shelf support system. Those external controls, they have the actual temperature display, so it actually shows what it is. So my refrigerator is sitting at 36 and my freezer is at 1. Why is it at 1? No, it's at 0. We'll leave it at 0. Because that's what is recommended. 37 is recommended, so we're just going to leave that. I don't know why that was changed, but there you go. So, plenty of room in the fridge. And then we're going to go ahead and look at the freezer. And you have where it pops out. That's where your ice comes through. You still have a lot of door space from, and these shelves, they are removable, so you can move them up and down to get whatever kind of slot that you want. And then in case you need to have something higher or lower. And then You have this rack down here for the very bottom that holds everything in, and the shelves are adjustable so you can see that there are different shelves or different spaces where you can put shelves in right there. It's got a big light in here so that you can see everything, and this is where your ice is. Now the only thing that this has given me any problems with, and it's been 2008, 10 years, 10 years has 18, is every once in a while, right back up in there, that gets like a little kind of cave, stalagmite, stalactite kind of action going on, and it stops making ice because it's there. So I have to pop it, chip it, and then we're back on board again. It's about a 5-second fix, and it doesn't really bother me, so I'm fine with that. As long as it's still running, I am good to go with that. Turn that light back off, and then to change any of this stuff, you just literally hit the buttons. Oh, sorry. Hit the buttons and you're good to go. And the ice just pops right out, just like that. And especially with that filter system, then you are able to get some nice clean water. So there you have it. The GE side-by-side refrigerator. This particular model number is Golf Sierra Hotel Sierra 5 Kilo Golf X-Ray. So there you go. Y'all have a nice one.